This protein blueberry bread tastes like a blueberry muffin, but packs 13 grams of protein per slice, stays incredibly moist, and is great for meal prep. I'll show you how to make it right now. Start with a large bowl for all of your dry ingredients. Add 2.5 cups of oat flour. You can easily make your own oat flour by blending rolled oats in a blender or food processor. Add 3/4 cup of vanilla protein powder. Any kind works for this recipe. Add 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And finally, add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix all of your dry ingredients together until they're well combined and there are no more clumps. Take out another bowl for your wet ingredients now. Crack open and add 2 large eggs. Add 1 cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt. Add 1/2 cup of unsweetened applesauce. Add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. You can use melted butter or another type of oil if you prefer. Add 1/3 cup of honey. You can substitute with maple syrup or a calorie-free sweetener if you prefer. And finally, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix all of your wet ingredients together until they're fully combined and smooth. Grab back your bowl of dry ingredients, then pour the wet ingredients into the bowl with your dry ingredients. Mix everything together until it's smooth, but don't overmix or the bread can become dense. Grab 2 bowls, one with 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries and another with about 2 teaspoons of oat flour and a teaspoon of a calorie-free sweetener. Toss your blueberries gently until they're evenly coated. This step helps prevent them from sinking to the bottom of the bread. Add the coated blueberries into your batter and then repeat until you're out of blueberries. Gently fold your coated blueberries into the batter and mix until just combined. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Take out a 9-inch by 5-inch bread pan and line it with parchment paper. Give it a light spray of oil. Pour your batter into the bread pan and spread it evenly with a spatula. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 55 to 60 minutes until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Once it's done baking, remove it from the oven. Let it cool completely for at least 20 minutes so it can firm up. Slice into 8 pieces or however many you prefer. Then you're all set with your protein blueberry bread. If you're making this for meal prep, these slices last up to 5 days in the fridge. You can also freeze them for up to 3 months and just thaw them when you're ready to eat. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other high protein breakfast recipes. And if you found this recipe helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more healthy recipes every week.